Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese language, yes. And this one will be number 1440. Yes, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here a single box? Yes, I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have a dual box? No. A triple box. I see here a triple box. I cannot fill this yet. Quadra box. Alright. Let me see. Yes, alright, so we can start. We have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 4. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. The 5 goes in these 2 boxes, and the 4 could be everywhere. 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Yes. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here, so the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here, so that box cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 here, a 1, so the 1 goes here. The 2 and the 3 goes there. That means we have a 3 here in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in one of these 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2 as a pair. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box in this area should be the 2. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 now, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. We have a 5 now, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here. This box can be a 2, so this should be a 4, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and 1 box left of this area is the 4. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here. That means this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5 together with the 3 as a pair, 5 and a 3. That means 1 box left here for the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this area, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 1, and this should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. The same like here. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. This box should be reserved for the 3. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3. 3 and a 1. 1 box left, should be the 4 in this area. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So these 2 boxes are left for the 4. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. And look, we have already a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. We see here a 1, so this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 3. And 1 box left should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Let me see. This box can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be a 3. This should be a 4, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. We have a 3 here. That means this box cannot be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 1. No. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. These two should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Almost finished. We have a 5 here. These two boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. The 2, one box left for the 2 should be here. One box left in this area for the 1. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.